As clocks move forward, it's time for companies to do the same, and too often organizations get stuck, reacting to challenges instead of proactively growing. But spring is about renewal. It's the perfect time to reset, refocus, and build a strategy for sustainable success. So, how can your organization spring forward and break free from what's holding it back? Let's talk about a few key areas where companies need to shift. 1. Rebuilding trust after layoffs. Layoffs create uncertainty, but companies can rebuild by being transparent about the future, supporting employee well-being, and recognizing the resilience of their teams. 2. Prioritizing employee experience to strengthen client experience. Happy employees create happy customers. Investing in workplace culture, training, and the right tools leads to better client interactions and stronger business results. And 3. Setting a clear strategy instead of just reacting. Too many companies operate in crisis mode. A strong planning framework like OKRs or agile planning keeps teams aligned and focused on long-term success. 4. Moving beyond transactional recognition. Generic rewards don't motivate employees. Recognition should be personal, values-driven, and embedded in the company culture, not just a once-a-year event. 5. Building stronger client partnerships. Clients don't just want a service, they want a relationship. Organizations should shift from transactional deals to collaborative partnerships that drive mutual success. 6. Advancing DEI with the Platinum Rule. Instead of just treating others how you want to be treated, focus on how they want to be treated. True inclusion is about listening, adapting, and making real impact. 7. Turning complaints into growth opportunities. Complaints aren't just problems, they're insights. Organizations create a culture of open feedback and action see stronger engagement and continuous improvement. 8. Breaking down bureaucracy and decision-making bottlenecks. Rigid processes slow down progress. Companies need to remove unnecessary approvals, empower employees, and build a culture of action and experimentation. And 9. Making EX and CX a leadership priority. Customer experience can't improve without investing in employees. Leaders should align EX and CX metrics, provide frontline support, and stay connected to real challenges. And 10. Taking action, not just talking about change. Great ideas mean nothing without execution. Organizations must set clear goals, track progress, and hold leaders accountable for real results. Spring is a time for renewal, and the best companies use it as an opportunity to move forward with fresh energy and purpose. At Samantha Elizabeth Coaching and Consulting, we help organizations break through barriers and drive lasting change. If your company is ready to spring forward, let's connect and build a strategy for sustainable success. It's time to stop waiting and start growing.